Alright guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I want to show you guys how to really quickly design some buttons just like this inside Studio. No design software required. This is by Captide. Go ahead and shoot him a follow. Check out our store, gfxcomet.com. We have so many assets for you to choose from. Unlimited access right here. Get access, as you can see. Okay, so here we are inside of Studio, and first of all, we're gonna hit Test and Device right here. We're gonna go Fit to Window. We're gonna start by adding a screen GUI right here. Call this Buttons. We're gonna add a frame. We're gonna call this Canvas. We go Plugins. I'm gonna use UI Tools. You could use any plugin of your choice. I'm gonna go Set Anchor, Fit Parent, Remove Background. I'm gonna hit Scale for size. I'm gonna go Frame. I'm going to call this our button. Oops. You can make this any size you want. I'm just gonna go for something like this. We're gonna go ahead and go to Plugins. I'm gonna go Convert with Reclass. I'm going to make this an image button, like so. We go Hide and also Scale. Let's add a new frame. We're gonna call this Main. Actually, I'm going to bring back the background, just very transparent, so we can see the container we are working within. So for Main, I'm gonna go Set Anchor, Fit Parent. I'm going to bring this up a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a corner as well as a gradient. So for the corner, I'm gonna go for 1 and 0, and for the gradient, rotation -90. And now for the color, I'm gonna go for a nice blue color like this, and for the top point, I'm gonna add this color. I can add some in the middle as well if you like. Alright, cool. Now I'm going to copy Control D on the main. I'm gonna call this shadow. I'm going to remove the gradient. I'm going to change the Z index to 0. I'm going to move this thing down like so. Go 0.48. And we're going to change the color to a darker variation, like so. Now essentially, we can take this, resize, and add a stroke. Make this 4 pixels. And we can make this dark. Now once again, we're just gonna hide the background here. And we can add our text to the main portion of the button. We call this, just keep it like text label, I guess. But we're gonna add text scaled, remove background, going to change the font, and change the text color. Play. You can put any text of your choice. Add a stroke, make this 3 pixels, and choose a blue color, like so, and transparency. And there you guys have it. That is how you can make a nice looking button inside of Roblox Studio. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.